रियलाइज हुआ अपने जो शास्त्र वगैरह में जो लिखा हुआ है, कराग्रे वस्ते लक्ष्मी, कर मूले सरस्वती, कर मध्य गोविंदम, किम प्रभाते कर दर्शनम। दैट इज द वे। एक प्रकार से ये भी अपने ब्लेसिंग देना ही हुआ हाथ को।
हाँ जी,
मैं करेक्ट?
यस यस।
तो इसका हिंदी मीनिंग मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं?
हाँ हाँ जरूर।
अपने हाथ के सबसे आगे के भाग में, एकदम फ्रंट पोर्शन में लक्ष्मी का स्थान है। हाथ के मूल भाग में सरस्वती का स्थान है और मध्य भाग में, मिडिल पार्ट में, हाथ के गोविंद श्री कृष्ण का स्थान है। तो अपने सुबह सुबह दर्शन करो इस भाव से, ये फीलिंग से, तो एक प्रकार से ब्लेसिंग देना हुआ और अपने को सारे भगवान का विजुअलाइजेशन हो जाता है।
यस एंड हम काम करते हैं, वॉट एवर वर्क वी डू विद आवर हैंड्स ड्यूरिंग द डे, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो भी हम कार्य करते हैं उसके लिए हम अपने हाथों का प्रयोग तो करते ही हैं। And whatever we are doing with our hands throughout the day is, it's blessed already. We've already blessed it. We have seen the blessing. And most important it is that ये करने से हमारी feelings change हो जाती है early morning. So if that works for you and if all of us can try and see, even if you don't know the shloka, just the meaning of it is enough. It can change your feelings. Yes, anybody else? Any sharings? We have 9 participants excluding me, so 8 participants. No one wants to share anything? If it's a one-line sharing, what happened after yesterday's session? How was the day? Did you make the card? Did you do the assignment? Did you write your blessings, count your blessings today? And how was the magic rock? And also I want to ask all of you, I'm just assuming it that all of you are done with making your dream list. Yes, no, please write it on the chat, or you can unmute yourself and say
yes.
Okay. And how many of you have written in the dream list about your dream for money?
Yesterday,
I've forgotten my dream list also. I wrote it so many days ago.
Okay, so you can check,
Yes.
and you can keep on adding things to your dream list. You can keep on adding whatever is coming new. It's not that we had to make it only on the first day. Over a period of days also, even after we complete the 30 days journey, in between, on and off, whenever you feel, oh, I can write this also in my dream list. So, you can keep on writing in the headings where we have made. So there was a separate heading for money. Yeah, there was a separate area for money. So you can just add in that if you haven't as yet. Yeah, thank you for putting your video on. Chandrika and Vinod, thank you so much. Anything you have to share, anybody? Last 1 minute before we begin the session.
Good morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
And also, whoever wants to nominate for reading today, please nominate yourself. You can write it on the chat that you want to read today. So yes, we can begin now. Welcome everybody. A good morning, a happy morning everyone. for being in this session today, day 5 of the Magic Book Journey, Magic Money. So I'll share the screen, and while I'm sharing the screen, please yourself reading today. Yes, somebody was saying something. Yeah, anybody else wants to read? If I would invite, my invitation to all of you is, let's have a new reader every day. Anybody else? Please
I think
nominate yourself.
somebody has volunteered. I'm not sure.
Yeah, so she had read yesterday. She can read it again today. But only thing is, if I would request the others to read. You know, when you read, there is a different feeling, isn't it? For those who have already read, the attention and the understanding is something else. Nobody wants to nominate today.
Yes, I can.
Sorry, who's this?
Chandrika.
Chandrika?
Yes.
Okay, you can. Usha ji, you can read some other day. Chandrika, you can begin.
Yeah, it's okay.
And the others, please mute yourself. Everyone else other than Chandrika, please mute yourself, and you can do the reading on your own. You can, while the reader is reading, you can also read on the screen. You can do lip reading or soft reading, whatever you feel like. Yes, so you can begin, Chandrika.
Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. Christian Science Hammer. If there is a lack of money in your life, understand that feeling worried, envious, jealous, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful, or fearful about money can never bring more money to you, because those feelings come from a lack of gratitude for the money you have. Complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated about money, being critical of the cost of something, or making someone else feel bad about money are not acts of gratitude. And the money in your life can never improve, it will worsen.
Yes. So, how many of us are ready to bring magic in the area of money? Just write. How many of us are ready? How many of us are ready to bring? Yes, yes. Who else? Nobody wants money in their life? Just write yes or no in the chat. Okay, so gratitude is riches, complaint is poverty. कृतज्ञता संपन्नता है and शिकायत विपन्नता है. So what is money actually? What do you feel money is? पैसा क्या है? हम बता सकते हैं. You can unmute yourself and speak. What is money? What do you feel money is? All want money, absolutely, yes, yes. So many others have written, lovely. Very soon you'll be able to know the magic, how to manifest money in your life. And what are the mistakes that we are doing. So paisa एक form of energy hai. We can say that money is a form of energy which is around us and which gives us some value. It can be in the form of cash, it can be in the form of metal, it can be in plastic form. But the amazing thing is that money अपने आप में कुछ नहीं होता है. So supposing if you have a credit card, for example, आपके पास credit card है और उसमें 5 lakh rupees है balance और आप you've gone to a shop, you've done the shopping, and when you give your credit card but the shopkeeper is not having the machine to accept the card, then that money has got no value for you, right? And let's say you have a 2000 rupees note and you go to Thailand and do some shopping and आप बोलोगे कि मुझे ये आप वो 2000 की नोट दोगे उधर, Money has got no value. Each country has their own currency. So money is a form of energy which has a frequency and which has a vibration. Now what happens, so if you can mute yourself, there's some noise in the background. Yeah. So it's writing that whenever there's lack of money in your life, understanding that feeling worried, you feel worried, आपको चिंता होती है, envious. So lack of money क्यों होता है? आपको अपने अपने life में देखना है कि why am I having any lack of money, if at all? If I'm feeling that, why is it? So we are trying to identify the reasons. Either you're feeling worried about money, or आपको jealousy है किसी से. Like for example, if you want to buy a car, it's your dream car, and your one fine day you see that your neighbor has it. Your neighbor has bought that car. So you will actually just check for yourself. Do you feel happy for your neighbor, or do you feel, oh, I wanted this car and he's got this car? Or supposing somebody is going for a holiday and you've been not been able to go since a long time, whatever reasons, and that person, so your dream holiday is going to Switzerland, and that person is your friend, or somebody calls you, I'm going I'm going to Switzerland, and the first thought, maybe you will be very happy for that person, or maybe you have to check for yourself that, oh, I wanted to go, I cannot go, and she is going or he is going. So these are the ways we have our feelings towards, why money is not there in our life. Whatever, even if it's there, if whatever we want to manifest, whatever, how much ever amount we want to manifest, if it's not there, it's because of all these things. Disappointed, हम disappoint हो जाते हैं, हम discourage हो जाते हैं, and doubtful. That is the most biggest hurdle when you have any thing about money. So doubtful or fearful about money. जैसे हम we have some fears, हमें डर रहता है या हमें doubt होता है, हम शंकालु हो जाते हैं. So why are these negative thoughts about money coming in our lives? हमारे दिमाग में ये ऐसा आता क्यों है? Complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated. हम बहुत दिनों से try कर रहे हैं, लेकिन that thing we are not able to get. So whether it's in a professional life, whether it's in a job, and then we become sometimes also become critical of the cost of something. This is supposing you've gone to a shop, just a simple thing as buying vegetables, and you will be critical to the vegetable vendor just bargaining for 5 rupees, and we feel so happy. Arey, wow, I actually got 5 rupees less. So, and also supposing you have gone to a shop and you will say that आपके दुकान में तो ये चीज ज्यादा पैसे में मिल रही है and उस दुकान में कम पैसे में मिल रही है. So all that comparisons which comes in your mind, and you become critical about money, or maybe you make someone else feel bad about money. All these are not acts of gratitude, and the money in your life can never improve. On the contrary, it will worsen. और जो मनी जो इम्प्रूवमेंट आना चाहिए वो तो आएगा ही नहीं, और बदतर हो जाएगा. So I was just thinking that why all these thoughts, from where all these thoughts have come in the mind. अपना हमारा ये belief system ऐसा हुआ कैसे? So the answer which I got was that we have grown with some conditioning. हमारे बचपन से ही हमने कुछ ऐसा सुना है. Our belief system has become like that. So it was fed into our subconscious minds when we were kids. What was fed? We can't afford. Supposing as kids we wanted something and our parents actually genuinely they told us we can't afford. Unconsciously we say like that, and if we have kids, we have told this to our kids also. So my invitation to all of you is that now let's consciously not use these sentences which I'm going to read. We can't afford that. money is evil, rich people must be dishonest, wanting money is wrong and it's not spiritual. Many of us have this belief कि पैसा मांगना नहीं चाहिए, desire नहीं होना चाहिए पैसे के लिए, because then you're not being spiritual. Money doesn't grow on trees. Having plenty of money means hard work. And the irony is that even after, at the same time, what do we say? That we have been told that you have to earn money, even if it means that the work you are doing is, you are not loving that work. This is the biggest irony. Many of us, just see for yourself, all of us see for ourselves that what is the truth for us, where are identify that for yourself. It will be different for all of us, so just identify for yourself. So for me, when I was just thinking about these few beliefs which it has been ingrained since my childhood. So I remember when I was doing a healing session, a healing class, theta healing, when I was learning there, before we actually started, on the first day itself, we were told to release all the self-limiting beliefs. So there was this self-limiting belief about money also. And it was a biggest realization that, it came, like, I remember, and even to my kids, I say that money doesn't grow on trees. What do you think? Money grows on trees. So then it struck me that I need to release this. I need to release this. And of course, there was a whole process by which we release. But cognitively, right now, as we are hearing this, just make a note of it. Is it that I am carrying such self-limiting beliefs in my mind? If it is, then we are going to learn how to release it. Yes.
No matter what your current situations, the very thought that you don't have enough money is being ungrateful for the money you have. You have to get your current situation out of your
Just a minute. Yeah.
mind and instead feel grateful for the money you do have. So the money in your life can magically increase. Whoever has gratitude, it will be given more and she or he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what she or he was will be taken from her or him.
Even
Feeling,
what she or he has will be taken from her or him. Yes, please go ahead.
feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for anyone. But when you understand that nothing will change until you are grateful, you will be inspired to do it. The subject of money can be a tricky one for many people, especially when they don't have enough. So, there are two steps to the magic money practice. It's important that you read through the entire practice of magic money at the beginning of the day because you will continue with the money practice throughout the day. Sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood before you had any or much money. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words. Thank you with all your heart for each instance.
Yes, we'll pause here. So after this explanation, we'll do a visualization. So all what is given, all those 14 points which are given here, we'll do a visualization. So if I would request all of you to be ready for the visualization. You can sit straight. If you're not sitting straight, you can make yourself very comfortable. So feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for everyone. Obviously हम सब सोचेंगे कि जब money थोड़ा है, I don't know which space are you all coming from, but if there is lack of money, then feeling grateful for money is a very challenging thing. Yeah, but nothing, when you understand that nothing will change until you're grateful, you will be inspired to do it. So if we remember the Secret movie, if all of us have seen the Secret movie, Rhonda Byrne, what she does is that when she was in complete debt and her house was mortgaged, she had to pay her bills. In that state, she goes to the ATM. She she withdraws all the money which she has in her bank, because which she has to use for buying food for herself, you can imagine. And in that state, she takes out takes out all the money excuse me, and she goes on the road and she gives it to people. She looks into their eyes and she gives it to each one of them whom she feel they require. And then she felt so happy about it. That happiness, she says, was undescribable. It was so divine, that happiness. And then suddenly magic start appearing in her life. So when you understand that nothing will change until you're grateful, you'll be inspired to do it. So the subject of money can be a tricky one for many people. So there are two steps what the book is telling us today. The first step is to look through your childhood, go back in time and space, and see whatever you have got, whatever you received, whatever you enjoyed when you were a child, till the date you're sitting here right now, especially when you enjoyed when you were a kid. Because that time we were not able to earn money, but we enjoyed everything because of many people. So we are going to do a visualization to understand it further. So sit down in few minutes and think back through your childhood before you had any or much money. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words, thank you, with all your heart for each instance. So, as we go through the visualization, I will take you through the guided visualization. So when in your mind, you can just say thank you, thank you. Keep on saying thank you, as in how you remember, as in how you can imagine, as in how you can visualize. So, yes, everybody, make yourself comfortable. You can close your eyes, make yourself as comfortable as you can. Take a long, deep inhalation and take a long, deep exhalation. Be aware of the second inhalation and the second time as you exhale out completely. And a third time as you inhale. And the third time as you exhale out. And carry on breathing in and out like this, using your sense of hearing to hear whatever is being told to you. And recalling each memory as much in detail as you can. Use the power of your imagination to go back in time and space when you were born, when you took your first breath. Remember the hospital you were born. Remember the doctor who helped you, who was with your mother. Remember the first words that you heard. You will remember because all the memories of the time we took our first breath is stored in our subconscious mind. And even if you don't remember, just smile and stay in this moment. Be present to whatever is happening. Who paid the bills of the hospital? Who paid the hospital bills? Your grandmom, or it could be your grandfather, or it could be your father. Thank you. Thank you. Just thank with all your heart. Did you have a home to live? क्या आपके पास एक घर था? कैसा था वो घर? How was it? How comfortable was the house? How was your room? Did you share your room with somebody? Just say thank you. Thank you to that house where you lived. Did you receive an education over many, many years? क्या आपने पढ़ाई की थी? And उसके bills किसने दिए थे? उसका payment किसने किया था? Just say thank you. Thank you so much. Did you travel to school each day? Did you have school books, school lunches, and all the things you needed for school? आप कैसे जाते थे स्कूल? बस से जाते थे, गाड़ी से जाते थे, कैसे जाते थे? आपके पास जो स्कूल बुक्स आती थी एवरी ईयर बिफोर द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द न्यू सेशन, किसने उसकी पेमेंट की थी? Who paid for the school books? And who made the school lunches for you? Your mother used to wake up early in the morning and make sure that you have the lunch box ready before you had to go to school. And when you used to open the lunch box, all yummy food used to be there. Your mother made it sure that whatever you like is given to you. Thank you, mother. Thank you, mom. Thank you, mama, for doing this for me. And all the things, जितनी भी stationery चाहिए होती थी, pen, pencil, rubber, ruler, pencil box, school bag, water bottle, all that was given to you at that time. Who did it? Who paid for all this? Thank you, my parents. Thank you, mom. Thank you, dad, for doing this for me. Did you go on any vacations when you were a child? जब summer holidays होती थी, तो क्या आप वेकेशन के लिए जाते थे? कश्मीर गए थे, नैनीताल गए थे, you went for an international holiday, you went to Singapore, you went to Bangkok, you went to Nepal. How was it and who paid for it? Thank you, mom. Thank you. What were the most exciting birthday gifts you received when you were a child? जब आपकी बर्थडे आती थी, how excited you would be, and you would call all your friends. Birthday cake आता था, and you would be very excited to open the gifts. क्या गिफ्ट मिले हैं मुझे? जैसे ही फ्रेंड्स जब चले जाते थे, and आप एक एक गिफ्ट को खोल के कितनी खुशी होती थी आपको. Thank you for all those who gave me the gifts, and thank you, mom and dad, for paying all the expenses of the birthday. Did you have a bike, toys or a pet? क्या आपके पास साइकिल थी, आपके पास खिलौने थे, आपके पास पेट था? Thank you for that. Feel it. It's all about feeling, how deeply you can feel and be grateful. अपने दिल में feel करिए. Feel it. Did you have clothes as you grow so quickly from one size to the next? जैसे जैसे हमारी हाइट बढ़ती गई, हमारे एज बढ़ती गई, हमारे क्लोथ्स भी छोटे होते गए. एंड nobody cribbed. किसी ने कुछ कहा नहीं. जैसे ही हमारे क्लोथ्स छोटे हो गए, नए कपड़े आ गए हमारे लिए. Thank you for that. Did you go to the movies, play sports, learn a musical instrument or pursue a hobby? क्या आप मूवीज देखने जाते थे? क्या आपने स्पोर्ट्स खेला था? Remember the sports day in school? How was it? learn a musical instrument. क्या आपने हारमोनियम बजाना सीखा था, या क्या आपने गिटार बजाया था, क्या आपने तबला बजाना सीखा था, or could you pursue a hobby? एंड जब आप बीमार पड़ जाते थे तो क्या आप डॉक्टर के पास जा सकते थे? बिना सोचे आप डॉक्टर के पास चले जाते थे, और जो मेडिसिन की, जो दवाइयों की जो पैसे देने होते थे, किसने दिया था वो पैसे? डिड यू एवर हैव टू थिंक, अरे मुझे, मेरे पास तो कुछ है नहीं, मैं डॉक्टर के पास कैसे जाऊं? All that was given to you at just the click of a button. Did you go to the dentist? क्या आप डेंटिस्ट के पास गए थे? जब कभी भी दांत में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती थी तो क्या आप डेंटिस्ट के पास गए थे, और उसका पैसा किसने दिया था? थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू मॉम, थैंक यू डैड, और मे बी आपके कोई और एल्डरली लोग थे घर पे, आपके ब्रदर, आपके ग्रैंडफादर, आपके ग्रैंडमदर. थैंक यू टू देम. Did you have any essential items that you used every day? Basic things like toothbrush, best of the toothbrushes, best of the toothpaste, best of the soaps and shampoo. Did you have all those? Say thank you, thank you. Did you travel in a car? जो पहली गाड़ी आपके घर में आई थी. Did you travel in a car? And was there a driver to drive the car? It would be so beautiful to go to wherever you wanted to go with the driver, sit in the car and travel wherever you wanted to. You wanted to go and meet your friends. You wanted to go for a party. You wanted to go to some place to eat. All was possible because you had a car. Did you watch television, make phone calls, use lights, electricity and water? क्या आपके पास television थी? That time there was black and white TV. And the first time जब television आया था, तो आप उसमें क्या क्या देख पाते थे? Cricket match देख सकते थे. There were so many movies दूरदर्शन में you could see. And what else were you able to see on the television? क्या आप phone calls कर सकते थे? Were you able to make calls to your friends and talk to them? Thank you for all those things that I got in my childhood. Whichever picture comes in your mind, could be of anybody, just thank you. Thanks, give thanks with all your heart, feel it. Go back in time and space and bring back those happy memories. All this was possible because of the money which was given to me for all what I wanted. And all these things costed money, and you receive them all at no charge. Go back into those pleasant memories and realize that how you got everything at the click of a button. All this was hard-earned money, and you got it so easily. So just for a minute from now, be grateful for all that we received during childhood. In the moments of silence where you are and now, you can place your right palm on the heart center and be as grateful as you can. And then slowly open your eyes. Before we go ahead, so if anybody has anything to share, how did you feel when we did visualization? You can more in detail, but just share, how are you feeling after doing this? You can unmute yourself or you can write it on the chat. How is everybody feeling after doing this visualization? Yes, anybody wants to share anything? Feel happy? Yes. Never thought of all of this before. It was amazing. Wow. Nice feeling. So, no words. Very emotional. Wow. Yes. So, can we go ahead? Anybody else has any sharing? What about the rest of us? Okay. The reader, please read ahead. From here, you will read from here to continue with the practice of magic money. Take a dollar bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill. Yes.
To continue with the practice of magic money, take a dollar bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life.
Yes. So, what the two practices, what the book tells us is the first practice is which we did, the visualization, and the second practice is you have to take a dollar bill. Since the author is from Australia, she is telling us to take a dollar bill, but we can take a rupee. It could be, see, just make a note, take a dollar bill, $1 bill. You know, doesn't matter if you take. So the author is specifically telling us to take a lower denomination note. So you can take a 10 rupee note and write on a posted sticker, just write, thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life, if you are writing in English. And if you're writing in Hindi, thank you उस सारे पैसों के लिए जो मुझे जिंदगी में मिला है. So you can just choose for yourself whichever way you want to write. You can write it today and we'll come to know what do we do after writing. Yes.
Take your magic dollar bill with you today and put it in your wallet, purse, or pocket at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want. Take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. The more sincere you are and the more you feel it, the faster you will see a miraculous change to the circumstance of your money.
So yes, what do we do with the rupee, whatever we have written, that you put it, you take the rupee and you post whatever you have written on it, and you could put it in a wallet, purse, or pocket at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon. You just take it out, hold it in your hands like this, feel the energy of money, and just be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life till now. So read that whatever you have written and feel grateful, actually feel grateful. And the more sincere you are, the more you feel it, the faster you will see a miraculous change to the circumstances of money. And I'm telling you, if you really do with complete sincerity, you will have so many magics happening in the area of money. You will not be able to, it's unimaginable. You'll have such magics happening in your life in the area of money. Yes, please read.
You will never know ahead of time how your money will increase, but likely you will see many different circumstances change for you to have more money. You could find money you didn't realize you had, receive unexpected cash or checks, receive discounts, rebates or decrease in cost, or receive all kind of material things that would have cost you money. After today, put your magic dollar bill in a place where you will continue to see it every day to remind you to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given, never forgetting that the more times you look at your magic dollar bill and feel gratitude for the money you have been given, the more magic you will bring forth. And abundance of gratitude for money equals an abundance of money.
Yes. So it's not that only we will get money in the form of cash. We can also get, without realizing, we will receive unexpected cash or checks, or we can receive discounts. So for me, when I did this, when I did this many years back for the first time, there were unexpected discounts which I was getting. And so, I would call something from the shopkeeper, or I would go myself to a shop. So first time I remember I went in a shop, and there were, so I picked up something which I wanted without knowing that there's a discount. While paying the bill, the shopkeeper told me that there is, he told me to pay less, and I was completely surprised. Why is he saying this? So then he told me that there is a discount on this. So I was so thankful that even, when I was taking that thing, I didn't know that there is a discount. But afterwards, so the universe has its own ways of giving things to you. So once you have expressed your gratitude towards money, you will receive, you will experience all this. There'll be an unexpected rebate on anything you want to buy, or decreases in cost. So maybe, when you're ordering something online, that day you will find that everything, whatever you are ordering, even though there is no sale going on, but you will get, discount, and they'll all the actual, from whatever is the actual cost of that article, you will see that the cost has already reduced, and receive all kinds of material things that would have cost you money. So now the book says, where do you place this dollar bill? Where do you place this money, the rupee, after today? So what I did actually was, I actually, wherever I used to sleep. So I'm talking of the first time when I did this. So on my bed, just above my bed, there was a beam, a part of the wall that just comes out, and there was a tube light there. And whenever I would sleep, I would used to look at that. So I just stuck it there. So you see, you find a place for yourself. Where would you want to stick, where you would see it quite often? But my invitation to all of you is that today, just hold the rupee in your hands and feel grateful for it as many times as you can today, and then stick it. You can also keep it in your wallet. So you can keep two notes which you can keep for yourself. In one you can keep it in your wallet, purse, or pocket. So whenever you're going out, you can take it as often as you can and see it. And the second is, you can keep it wherever you want to. So you can keep it again, stick it on the fridge, or just above the wash basin, or on the wall, or on the ceiling, wherever you want to. So that you can, if you are able to see it quite often, and आप visualize कर सकते हैं. Yes.
If you find yourself in a situation where you are about to complain about something to do with money, whether it's through your words or your thought, ask yourself, I am willing to pay the price for this complaint.
Am I willing to pay the price? It's a question. Am I willing to pay the price for this complaint?
Am I willing to pay the price for this complaint? Because that one complaint will slow or even stop the flow of money.
So how often have we found ourselves complaining about money? How often? Just ask yourself. We have to find for ourselves. Let's look into our lives and see, हमने आज, कल, परसों, एक महीना पहले, एक साल पहले, या बचपन से हम कितनी बार कंप्लेन करते हैं मनी के लिए. So every time now, since we are aware of it, now you have to understand that, am I willing to pay the price? Because if you are complaining and you have caught yourself complaining, then you have to understand, remember what we read, one complaint is equal to 10 blessings. That is the first thing. And the second is that if you complain, you will slow or even stop the flow of money, because whatever we give, it has energy and it comes back to us. So the circle, you are only starting and it will come back to you. Yes?
From this day forward, make a promise to yourself that whenever you receive any money, whether it's your salary for work, a refund or discount, or something that someone gives you that cost money, you will be truly grateful for it. Each of these circumstances means that you have received money, and each instance gives you an opportunity to use gratitude's magical power to increase and multiply your money even more by being grateful for the money you have just received.
Yes. So I would also like to bring here something that money saved is also money earned. So if supposing we had to buy something and somebody tells us ki this thing is there with me, you can take it, so that is also money saved and that is also money earned. So even if you receive, so my invitation to all of you is that even if you receive a small amount, just celebrate that with joy. Even if it's a 50 rupees, somebody has given you 100 rupee or 50 rupee or just 10 rupees, you know, just celebrate it with joy. एकदम खुशी से उसको celebrate करना है. Doesn't matter if it's a small denomination, but just celebrate. Feel joyful about it. You can dance, you can sing, and you can feel that happiness in your heart. And also, you know, when we are giving something, जैसे हम किसी को दान में देते हैं या, so that time also have gratitude. Don't you know, feel that, oh, I have to give, you know, it's not a compulsion. Don't give it compulsion, just feel it. The more grateful you will feel for money in whichever ways you can, the more and more money will come in your life in various forms. Yes, magic practice number 5.
Magic practice number 5, magic money. Number 1, repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, and feel gratitude for each one.
Okay, before we go ahead, how many of us have already written count your blessings before coming to the class, before coming to the session? How many of us have already written? Please write it on the chat. Yes, no? Yes, Hina ji. Thank you so much. Yes, Uma, no. Yes, who else? Be honest, be honest. Even if you haven't written, just write no. Meher, no. Yes. Who else? How many people are there today? If you can't write, just unmute yourself and just speak. Yes, no. Okay, Kapoor. Yes. Who else? Who else? Only 4 people. Rushita, no. Okay, Usha ji, 5 blessings. Shweta, no. Okay. So you know what? The universe doesn't like delays. It likes actions. So if you still, today is day 5, if you still haven't been able to write your 10 blessings before just those, you know, just 15-20 minutes after you have woken up, I can understand we have to do a lot of things to come to the session. But if whatever time you're waking up, you have to just wake up 15 minutes early. And whatever time you're sleeping, just sleep 15 minutes early. Yes, if we can all take charge of our lives and see, you know, if whatever we give, it's going to come back to us. If we are delaying in whatever we have been told to do by this book, then we will not be able to manifest things at that faster pace as we are expecting. So just my invitation and my request to all of you is, please start writing, count your blessings as early as you can after waking up. So all those who haven't written, only one person, two people have written. Usha ji has written 5 blessings and Hina ji has written. So all those who have written, can you tell what is the difference after you have written and you're coming to the session? You can unmute yourself and speak for others to understand. What is the difference that you feel when you have already written before coming to the session? What is the difference you're feeling in yourself? Yes, Hina ji and Usha ji. Yes, please unmute yourself and share. Are you
मैंने
able to?
कहा ना,
हाँ जी.
मैंने सुबह अपने हाथ को देखा, तभी रियलाइज किया था कि अपने शास्त्रों में जो लिखा है कि अपने हाथ को, तो आपने अपने रियलाइजेशन करना है कि हाथ को ब्लेसिंग देना है. तब मेरे दिमाग में ये आया कि अपने शास्त्रों में लिखा था कि कराग्रे वस्ते लक्ष्मी, कर मूले सरस्वती, कर मध्य गोविंदम, किम प्रभाते कर दर्शनम. तो ये एक तरह से ब्लेसिंग देना ही हुआ था. फर्स्ट पॉइंट मैंने इसको रियलाइज किया.
आपने लिखा था ये?
या
ओके, वेरी गुड. यस.
नहीं, ये नहीं लिखना चाहिए था. मेरे को ब्लेसिंग ऐसे नहीं देनी थी.
नहीं
जस्ट आई एम
नहीं,
आस्किंग टू यू.
इट्स फाइन, इट्स फाइन.
फाइन ना?
So you gave blessing, you felt you gave the blessing to your hands, right?
या
Yes, and yeah, so after writing, don't tell me all the 5 blessings, just say कि लिखने के बाद में आपको कैसा लगा था. How did you feel? कैसा महसूस हुआ? How were your feelings after you wrote?
मैंने बहुत, मैं काफी, मेरे को थॉट प्रोसेस में काफी चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. जैसे मतलब सोचने का तरीका ही मेरा अलग हो गया है आजकल.
Yes.
अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे.
Okay. So
वर्ड्स में नहीं एक्सप्रेस कर पा रही हूँ, लेकिन एक अंदर से अच्छा लगता है.
okay, okay. Yes. Thank you.
वंदना जी, मैं एक
Thank you Usha ji for sharing. Yes, yes Hina ji.
मैं कल शाम की बात बता रही हूँ. जब मैं रोड पे निकली थी तो बहुत सारे पक्षी आकाश में वो वापस अपने घर जा रहे थे. तो वैसे तो हर रोज ये होता है, हर रोज मैं वैसे निकलती हूँ, पर कल मैं ब्रिज पे थी, तभी मैंने वो मेरा व्हीकल साइड पे कर दिया और 2 मिनट तक उन लोगों को फ्लाई करते हुए देख लिया और इतना अच्छा फील किया ना कि हम भी ऐसे फ्लाई कर सकते हैं, ऐसे फ्रीली हम फ्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो वो वैसे मैं फ्लाई करना नहीं चाहती हूँ, पर मेरा जो थॉट्स है, मेरी जो पॉजिटिवनेस है कि वो जो भी है वो ऐसे ही मैं फ्लाई करती जाऊं, बस ऐसा मेरे दिमाग में आया था. मैं लिटरली खड़ी हो गई थी रोड पे साइड में देखने के लिए.
और वो आपने कभी ऐसा नहीं किया अभी तक?
नहीं, हाँ, नहीं.
वेरी गुड. सो नाउ यू आर फीलिंग मोर कनेक्टेड टू नेचर. और वो जो फ्रीडम आपने जो महसूस की, बर्ड्स वो फ्लाई कर रहे हैं, दैट फ्रीडम यू आल्सो फेल्ट. या सो बट आपने आज अपनी काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स जब लिखी, उसके बाद में आपको कैसा लगा?
हाँ, वो तो बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है. मैंने बोला ना, मैं कल भी बोली थी कि मैं इतनी जल्दी उठ जाती हूँ, आज मैं 4:30 उठ गई.
अपने आप.
कुछ
वेरी गुड.
नहीं,
And
कुछ
then?
करना है. हाँ, मैंने लिखा भी, आई एम वेकिंग अप दिस मॉर्निंग विथ एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग गुड टू हैपन इन माय लाइफ टुडे.
Very good. That's a wonderful thing you have shared, Hina ji. Very good. आपने पहले ही अपने दिन की शुरुआत, अपने दिन की शुरुआत को अपने हिसाब से कर दिया. You have created the day for yourself, and we all can do that. Lovely thing what you shared, Hina ji.
Thank you.
So the rest of us, can we please start writing? The first thing it's the first chapter what the book has told us. Count your blessings, and 10 blessings you have to write. Minimum 10 blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings, reread that and say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel grateful for each blessing what you have written. See, this book is all about the feeling world, all about what you want, what is, so the day zero we wrote our dream list, right? Whatever we want in our life. And then the book has told us to write the count your blessings. If we can all unmute ourselves. There's a lot of disturbance. Please unmute, please mute yourself. Yes, thank you. So, whatever the book is telling us, let's follow that. We have taken charge of our lives. हम सुबह सुबह उठ रहे हैं जल्दी, इतनी जल्दी, and we are coming on the session. We are coming in the Zoom session. Let's do what the book is telling us. Okay, so there'll be a lot of things which will come in the days to come, which we will be following. But these two things, count your blessings and the magic rock practice, please do for the rest of your life. So it's a practice, you know, we are actually starting. If we don't start now, wo habit nahi padegi. We won't be able to do it. It will be like a book. You know, it's not like a book. It's not like an every other book. It's a lifestyle that we are trying to incorporate in our life. We are changing our lives. And I'm telling you right now, even till today, if you haven't done, please start it right away. Okay, so for all those who haven't written in the morning, are you going to write after the session, or what is the time you'll be writing? Can you write it on the chat for the rest of us who haven't been able to write? What time will you be sitting to write?
Vandana,
Yes.
I wrote every day, only today I got up late. And actually, I was so sleepy, I couldn't think only. That's why I couldn't write.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Absolutely fine. You can write after the session, Uma.
Okay.
Okay. And okay, after the session, Chandrika after the session, Rushita after the session. Okay. So you have been writing after the session, and today also you'll write after the session. My invitation to all of you is tomorrow when you begin your day, I know it's a Sunday, but still, if you can wake up 15 minutes early and write before the session, as in when you wake up in the morning, maybe 15 minutes after that, or maybe 20 minutes after that, or maybe half an hour after that. But my request to all of you is, it's my experience which I'm sharing, that when I sit down to write, after I have done few things for myself, as in I go in the kitchen and I do few things, and then when I write, or if I have, you know, just woken up and just 10 minutes or 15 minutes after going to the washroom, I write, it's a different experience. My mind is a different space altogether. And the feelings are also different. So just see for yourself, all of you, which is the best time for you to write. But experience all the things and then decide for yourself that yes, this is the time I feel very comfortable and I can sit and write at that time. But do write every single day. So what about others? Nobody else is writing on the chat. Are you writing your count your blessings or not? Yes? What about others? Okay, let's read ahead. Number 2. Chandrika, are you there?
Yes, just a minute.
Yes. Magic practice number 2.
Sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood and all the things you received that were provided at no charge to you. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words thank you with all your heart for each instance. Number 4, take a dollar bill or other small bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill in big bold letters. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life.
Yes, the point to note here in this point is take a dollar bill or other small bill. Bill, if we confuse with the bills what we receive, let's replace it with take a money or any other small denomination of money and write on a sticker that you place on the bill in the money, on the money in big bold letters. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. As you are reading this, as you will read this for yourself, just feel every word, pause and speak. Just feel the vibration of every word. Every word has a vibration. So just feel it, and the moment you feel it, or don't read it mechanically. The moment you start feeling it, you will get into the vibration of that energy. You will feel the energy of money. And what we need to notice that it's a small bill she writes. Doesn't matter if it's a 1 rupee note, if you have, or a 5 rupee note, or a 10 rupee note. What comes in our mind is, let me take a 500 rupee note or a 2000 rupee note. So Rhonda Byrne is specifically telling us that whether money is money, whether if it's a money of small denomination or a bigger denomination, चाहे वो 1 रुपया हो, चाहे वो 5 रुपया हो, चाहे वो 10 रुपया हो, चाहे वो 20 रुपया हो, it's the same thing. It carries the same energy. It's only our perception which is like that कि 10 रुपया का क्या value है, what is the value of 10 rupees. If you go and give to a person on the road, who has not eaten food since 3 days, आप उस person को अगर आप 10 रुपए का नोट देते हो, तो उस 10 रुपए के नोट से वो चाय भी पी लेगा, वो एक पाव भी खा लेगा, वो एक बिस्किट का पैकेट भी खरीद लेगा. He will be able to. So there are many biscuit packets which come just for 5 rupees. चाय आती है 1-2 रुपए की या 3 रुपए की. On the roadside I'm talking. So that person will be able to do so much with 10 rupee note. And for us, when we get hold a 10 rupee note, we might feel that what is it? It has no value. For us, it might have no value. एक 2000 का नोट शायद ज्यादा वैल्यू होगा हमारे दिमाग में. But let's respect every form of money. That is what she's trying to tell us. That is what I understood. Maybe you all can have your own understanding, but that is what I felt, that why she wrote small bill, why that. Yeah, please go ahead.
Number 5, take your magic dollar bill with you today and at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want. Take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. Number 6, after today, put your magic dollar bill somewhere you will see it every day to remind you to continue to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. Number 7, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. So this we have already discussed, that where we have to keep the rupee, where we have to stick. But today you have to hold it as many times as you can, as keep it at a place where you can see it quite often, so that you remember to hold it and feel grateful, and just read what you have written with complete feeling. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. And also, if any point of time in the day, where if you get time, you can do the visualization which we did today. Remember all the things that you have been given since your childhood. So just do all that. And just before you go to sleep tonight, so the first and the last practice will always be the same. The magic rock also, I'm assuming all of us have a magic rock for yourself. Yes? Yes, no? Everybody has the magic rock or no?
Yes, yes, ma'am, yes.
Yes, we have.
Yes. And what about others? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, Hinaji, yes. Ushaji, yes. Lovely, lovely. So now before we, today's session is over. Before we end the session, we are going to do what we did a day back, just being thankful for ourselves. And before that, we will be doing an affirmation for money. So I am going to say this affirmation and I'll pause after a sentence and we are all going to say it in our mind.
I don't know.
Please don't write it right now. The recording will be there. You have just be with me. Just say it. Just say it in your mind. I like money. I love it. Money flows through me. Money flows into my life in expected and unexpected ways. I release it with joy and it returns to me multiplied in many, many ways. I like money. I love it. Feel that love in your heart. There's nothing wrong in loving money. Place your palm on the chest, the heart center, if you haven't as yet. Money is constantly circulating in my life. I receive it with joy and I also give it with joy. And money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. And just feel the love for yourself. Feel the love for yourself and say thank you. Take your name. All of us will take our names. Thank you, Vandana. Thank you. Thank you for being what you are. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Feel that happiness growing in your heart. Feel that joy. Feel that gratitude in your heart for yourself. Thank you, everybody. And thank you so much, everybody, before we end our session. And have a magical day. Bring lots and lots of abundance in your life. This is my sincere prayer for all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vandana.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Number 30.